Hello everyone. Today I would like to explain you how to enter numbers correctly and the units correctly in the exam physics 1 and the physics 2. So so first of all I would like to tell you that the tolerance in the answer in every exam is 1%. So suppose you have answer 100, and if you put 98.5, your answer will be counted as a zero. So it's very important that if you get 100, try to enter 100. Don't put 98.5. Your answer will not be accepted, okay? Even if you put 99, your answer will not be accepted. So you have to put 99.555 or whatever, okay? As I said, if it's 99, your answer is zero. So try to enter 100 because tolerance is 1%. Now, suppose you have very large numbers. So how are you going to enter the numbers? So first of all, if you have, let's say, your answer like 2.56878, like this one, if you have such a number, try to enter all numbers and don't round any numbers in your calculation. This is very important. Why? Because if you round it every time your calculation, then your answer will have tolerance less than more than 1%. In that case, your answer will not be counted. So whatever you got in the calculator, all numbers, just copy it and paste it here, and you will get 100% correct answer. Now, another thing that you have to keep in mind: suppose you have, let's say, 500 this one numbers. You have to multiply. If you have this number multiplied 10 to the power of 5. So how are you going to enter? Try to always use e, okay? Uh, e, which is 10 to the power of 6, let's say, okay? Now you will see the correct answer of this one here in this form. So it's also kind of hint to shows how your answer should look like, okay? Or if it's -6, then you put -6, okay? In that case, you can also see how it will be shown here. As I said, some students they do like this one. If it's this number, what they do, they just round it, they put like this one. In that case, definitely your answer will not be accepted, okay? So try to put all the numbers, okay, as much as possible to get correct answer. Uh, now let's go to the units, okay? Suppose you have unit kilogram multiplied meter per second, okay? How are you going to enter? So always for the multiplication for the units, try to put space. So kilogram space, so okay, space means multiplication. Kilogram meter divide by second, okay? And you can see how it's look like, okay? It's very important for multiplication, try to put space between them. For the division, you can just put like this sign, okay? Now, uh, suppose you have another one, let's say uh, kilogram space meter. Now if it has power of 3, try to put this sign, shift that one, negative, let's say 3 space multiplied second, the sign, power of -4, okay? Very important, space. And you can see your units here, okay? Very important. What else? For the units or for the answers, never put, let's say, mega, I don't know, kilogram, okay? Like it will not count it. So try to put all the numbers correctly here, and the units separately, okay? So what else? So you have here a Newton divided column, okay? You can see the here in this form. Or we can write this unit in as a term like Newton space column to the power of -1. Okay, so you have two ways of entering the units. So as you can see here, this way. So again, you have to practice and be ready for the exam. So I explained everything. So I hope you will not have any mistakes entering the numbers and the units for the physics 1 and the physics 2.